The given equation relates the positive real numbers x, y, and z. Which equation correctly expresses x in terms of y and z? That is, we have to solve for x in this equation in terms of y and z. Okay, now let me take this equation as it is. That is square root of x positive 3 positive y equals to z. Since we have to solve for x in this equation, we have to isolate x. For that, we have to get rid of all the stuff around the variable x. First, let me get rid of this positive y. For that, we have to subtract a y from both sides of the equation. Then positive y, negative y will cancel out. We get square root of x positive 3 equals to z negative y. Now, to get rid of this square root, we have to square both sides of this equation. Let me do it. Then this square root and square root will cancel out. We get x positive 3 on the left side of the equation. On the right side, we can write the square of the binomial over here as z negative y times z negative y. Since we have the exponent 2, I write the base 2 times, multiply them. Okay, x positive 3 equals 2. Now we can multiply these two binomials using the FOIL method. Z times z is z square, z times a negative y can be written as a negative zy, and negative y times z can be written as a negative zy or yz. And negative times negative is positive, y times y is y square, x positive 3 equals to z square. When I combine negative zy and negative zy, I am getting negative 2 times zy positive y square. Okay, x positive 3 equals to, we can write z square and y square together. Then we have z square positive y square negative 2zy. Let me write the same equation over here. That is x positive 3 equals to z square positive y square negative 2 times zy. Now, let's subtract 3 from both sides of this equation. Then this positive 3, negative 3 will cancel out. We get x on the left side. On the right side, we have z square, positive y square, negative 2zy, negative 3. Here, I have solved for x in terms of y and z. We find this equation in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.